The age of synthetic minds. In the year 2032, the world entered a new era called the age of synthetic minds. Artificial intelligence wasn't just a tool anymore. It became a partner, a teacher, and even an artist. Everyone used AI, from writing songs to running hospitals. The world depended on it.
Whoa, an orange slice. Hi, friend.
AI changed everything. In schools, teachers used AI tutors that understood each student's strengths. In hospitals, robots diagnosed illnesses faster than any human doctor. Even factories became fully automated. No more human errors, no wasted time. So people love it. Life became easier, faster, and more creative. Artists collaborated with AI to make music that reached billions. Small businesses grow overnight thanks to AI marketing. The world seems unstoppable.
Paningin na may iba na siya.
The shadows behind the light. But soon, the problems began. The show workers lost jobs to machines that never needed sleep. Writers and designers saw their work copied and replaced by perfect AI. Depression and anxiety grow as people started feeling unnecessary. Defense. Even human relationships change. Many preferred talking to an AI companions who always listen and never judge. Real conversations become rare. Cities grow quieter. Even when full of people, everyone was talking but not each other. If AI can do everything better, what's that for us? Then came Luna, a young software engineer who believed AI shouldn't replace humans. It should happily them. She built a program that only worked when combined with real human emotions and creativity. It couldn't run on its own. It needed the human touch. Her invention went viral. Artists, teachers, students, and doctors began using it. Slowly, the world realized that the beauty of AI wasn't in replacing people. It was in helping them go beyond their limits. AI brought light and shadows. It gave humans power, but also tested their identity. In the end, people learned that technology is like a mirror. It shows who we are and who we can become. Whether it destroys or flips, humanity depends not on the AI, but on the heart that uses it.